Let's change the cabin air filter on a Toyota 4Runner. This should be applicable to models from 2010 to 2024, which is the current year. If you look inside your glove box and you see a compartment that looks like this video is for you. The filter I'm using is an STP CAF1816P. And if you're not sure, just ask the people at the auto parts store. They'll point you in the right direction. To access the cabin air filter, you'll need to release the two clips that are right here on top. Inside, you're going to find the blower housing, and there's a clip on either side of those that'll let you access the actual cabin air filter. Now you can grab the old air filter and just slide it out. But I want to pause right here and call out something that's very important. Just take a moment to notice that all of the debris is on the top of the filter. This will come into play later. Before you attempt to install the new filter, I always like to place them next to one another and verify they're the same size. Now your new filter will have an indicator letting you know which direction you should be installing it. Now on this particular filter, it says airflow with an arrow pointing in that direction. And here's where I always start trouble on the internet. The OEM filter says up and has an arrow that's pointing upwards, hence that's how you install it. And because the debris was on the top of the OEM filter, it's letting you know that the air is flowing from the top down. All of this to say that when you put this filter in, those arrows will be pointing downwards. And without fail, every time I do this in a YouTube video, there's always somebody that loses it in the comment section. Anyways, when you orient your filter correctly, go ahead and slide it into the housing. Honestly, does it really matter which direction the arrows are pointing? Now the compartment door for the blower housing does have an up arrow, so you're going to install it oriented that way. Just get the clips aligned and press it back on. Then you'll replace the compartment door. Start at the bottom, there's some tabs that'll catch, and then you basically lock it in place. And just like that, you're done. Congratulations. Hey, it's this guy. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to support my channel.